Hi, you're watching Das Overa. This is Amarpal Singh before you. As new faction of Akali Dal has come up with former Jathedar Gyani Harpreet Singh elected as president today. Shiromani Akali Dal leaders, they have addressed a press conference over here in Ludhiana. And now the question is, which is the real Shiromani Akali Dal? As Gyani Harpreet Singh has claimed that this new faction is the real Akali Dal, while on the other side, the leaders of Shiromani Akali Dal, which is being led by Sukhbir Singh Badal, they are claiming that this is the real Akali Dal. So we are having with us senior Akali Dal leader, Advocate Parupkar Singh Kuman. Kuman ji, question is clear, which is the real Akali Dal? The new faction led by Gyani Harpreet Singh or by Sukhbir Singh Badal?
What do you think? Do you think an imposter can become an original thing? An imposter will remain always an imposter. First of all, Shiromani Akali Dal registered party since 1920. It is duly registered with the Election Commission of India, and it's duly registered with the under the law. Now what happened is there is a process, a democratic process. There are rules and regulations, and accordingly those are being followed. Now in case some person claim themselves to be the president of Shiromani Akali Dal, which is not a registered body, for that an FIR need to be registered. Because he remained the head of Shri Akal Takht Sahib, Jathedar of Shri Akal Takht Sahib. So this is the reason that Shiromani Akali Dal has till now not got registered an FIR against them. Otherwise, to represent a particular party, you need to get themselves registered. And now Shiromani Akali Dal itself is a registered name. They cannot have this name. So now they'll have a new name. And you also using this name as a Shiromani Akali Dal, I never expected this thing from you. Because this is not a name. The name Shiromani Akali Dal is only for a party, Shiromani Akali Dal, which is a registered party. And Mr. Gyani Harpreet Singh, I shouldn't be saying anything because he remained the Jathedar. I don't want to comment upon his character or something like that, whatsoever the allegations are being leveled against him. In case you go through his social media account, you will come to know the reality. How far he is being accepted right now. The thing is, now what they are trying to do is they don't have any base. They are totally baseless. Now they are using the name of Shiromani Akali Dal. Kindly see their character. Since yesterday, they have not spoken in a single word against the atrocities, against the any of the scheme led by the central government or by the state government. They have only three motives. First of all, to speak against Mr. Sukhbir Singh Badal. Second, to have the office of Sector 28. And thirdly, to have the symbol. Do they have any other motive? No motive is there. So thing is that Shiromani Akali Dal is basically a thought process. They don't have any thought process. Whereas we as a Shiromani Akali Dal have a thought process. We fight for Punjab, we fight for Punjabis, we fight for Punjabiyat. We are a regional party. As a regional party, we will need to look after each and every aspect, whether it's financial aspect of the government, whether it's the religious aspect, whether it's social aspect of the state. We need to see each and everything. Whereas they don't have any vision. So we have a vision. We look after all the communities living in Punjab, their interest, and Shiromani Akali Dal is above any religion.
Kuman sir, I want to add that, like you said, that Shiromani Akali Dal is a registered party. But on the other side, Gyani Harpreet Singh and her team, they have said that the new faction has been created on the directions of Akal Takht, the 5 members team which was formed. So on the legal side, which one is right?
Religious body doesn't form any political body. To be very frank, it's banned under the law as far as Indian Constitution is concerned.
Then the committee members which were selected earlier, the 7 members, then 2 withdrawn, and then 5 members, including Manpreet Ayali, and how that process goes?
Yeah, you have posed a very good question to me. When the chairman of a committee goes and one of the member goes, do you think the committee stays? The thing is, where's the order from the Honorable Shri Akal Takht Sahib that there's a 5-member committee? Basically, the committee is a self-styled committee which has been formed by them. And From the very beginning, it was being dictated by certain agencies, and Harpreet Singh was playing a very crucial role in that. He was the only motive of Mr. Harpreet Singh and this party, these 4, 5, 6 people, is just to tarnish the image of Shromani Akali Dal, just to tarnish the image of Punjab. Today, as on date, in case we go through, the Punjab was #1 economy in India till to 2027, till the time Shromani Akali Dal was there. Today we are the 28th. Does anybody think about it? We have become beggars. And you know what they are doing? What this Punjab government is doing? And this particular Harpreet Singh and party, they are assisting them. They are helping them out. I am leveling the allegations openly. They are helping them to generate illegal funds. And illegal funds for what? You know, from all the departments, the funds which were being given for the development of the state, they are being siphoned on. And what is the reason? So that to distribute those funds to the ladies before the election, 1,000 per month fund to secure votes. Do you think it is democratic? It is not democratic. Basically, it's a way how they are looting Punjab. It's a way how they are going to, what do we call it as, take away the economy of Punjab.
So earlier, when conflicts rose, the rebel Akali Dals, they got separate. It was said that it is all due to Sukhbir Singh Badal being the president of the party. They said that if Sukhbir Singh Badal do not remain the president, they are ready to join Akali Dal. And now, as Sukhbir Singh Badal was again re-elected, so they have come up with a new faction. So the problem is with Sukhbir Singh Badal or with the Shromani Akali Dal, or entirely?
Neither the problem is Sukhbir Singh Badal, neither the problem is Shromani Akali Dal. The problem is with these people only. They are somehow in one way or the other all tainted. Now they want to take benefit out of that. Now there are agencies over them. Either the income tax agency or the ED or some other vigilance department is there over them. So they are afraid of them. So they are working hand in glove with the agencies so as to tarnish the image of Shromani Akali Dal, so as to bring certain facts so that Shromani Akali Dal should weaken up. Now that is not going to happen. I am telling you one thing. People are now very well aware about this fact. These sort of elements, they do rise at times. There's ample of time right now. We have 1.5 years still to go. And I assure you one thing. They are not going to sustain that long. Because at the time, the central agencies or the state agencies or any other agency on whose behest they are working, they'll come to know very soon, they will realize very soon that neither they have an image, neither they carry a way, neither they have something to carry on with this particular whatsoever the party they name in the times to come. They're not going to have anything, I tell you one thing. And these agencies shall leave them. And these person, there's an old saying, should I say it in Punjabi?
Sure.
To bida kutta na karda na karda. So it's going to be like that.
Oh, two questions. As Shromani Akali Dal, it has faced a major blow in past several elections, and you said that the image of Shromani Akali Dal was being tarnished by these people. Now,
Not
how
these people, number of people.
now how the Shromani Akali Dal is going to revive in the coming elections? And second, what kind of action this Shromani Akali Dal, being led by Sukhbir Singh Badal, is going to take on the new faction?
Oh, that's a very good question. I tell you, that's a legal question. I love legal questions. I tell you one thing. First of all, the image which was tarnished, and that people has come to know. And you will realize this very soon in the elections of Tarantaran. Because after my elections in Ludhiana West, I knew it very well that this is what is going on at the back of my elections. And however, we try to control it, but we are unable. But now after elections, the people have realized that they were all made fool during these elections by the respective parties. Now thing is, because I leveled the allegations against Mr. Ayali also, that he was helping Aam Aadmi Party. You know it very well. You took my interview. You remember that?
Yes.
So, it was very much clear that they are hand in glove with Aam Aadmi Party at that particular time. Let Mr. Harpreet and his con party, let them use the symbol of Takdi, let them try to have office, let them try to have the name of Shromani Akali Dal. I assure you one thing, our legal head, in case I'm the head of the legal team, in case at that time, I don't know exactly right now, nobody is the head, Mr. Clary used to be head after me, anybody will get an FIR registered against them. And the act, this FIR, they should have they should have a legal opinion from this thing. ठीक है ना? In case they have a legal opinion, I don't think so they will use the name as Shiromani Akali Dal. ठीक है ना? Now, in case they do it, FIR is going to be registered against them, and they will either need anticipatory bails or they will be behind bars. That time is not far off.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So he was a senior Shiromani Akali Dal leader, advocate Paropkar Singh Kuman. So he said that the new faction, which is being now led by former Jathedar Gyani Harpreet Singh, is an fake faction, and they said that they cannot use the name of Shiromani Akali Dal as well as the Shiromani Akali Dal symbol Takadi, because it is being this Shiromani Akali Dal is a registered party, and which is the real Shiromani Akali Dal is being now led by Sukhbir Singh Badal. So he said that, he clearly mentioned that if the new faction uses the name of Shiromani Akali Dal and uses the symbol of Takadi, then FIR will be registered against them and they will take up this matter legally. So you are watching The Savera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.